multi-tool. This can be used for many things. For example, stopping crime. Or for back support. It even makes a great pair of shoes. It can even be used for everyday things like playing soccer or general home decor. It can even be used as a stepladder. When used as a step stool, the Universal Multi-Tool has two sizes, horizontal and vertical. And the best thing yet, it's completely free. Seriously, I have a whole pile in my backyard and I need to get rid of them. So buy the new Universal Multi-Tool. We are not responsible for any bruises, cuts, or scrapes. Please use this responsibly.